I just got this, so we're going to unbox it, and this is a steam cleaner. All right, so here we go. You ready? First of all, it's got this thing here, which you're going to need, right? Here, I'll give you a look at it. It's got the spot where you hook it up, and then the steam comes out there, I guess. Let's put that right there. And then comes with this attachment. Check it out. This thing here must, set this down here so you guys can see. Yeah, right? All right, then got another weird attachment. Set that down. This is to fill it with water. And I'm not even sure what this is. This is like, must be some type of a, protective cloth for some reason. This has got like a bent thing in it. So we'll keep that like that. Stick that in there too so we don't lose it. All right, and then we have more stuff. We have this little brush. We have this interesting thing. I don't know what that's for. And I think that's everything that's in the box. And here is the steamer. Oh, look, bam. There it is. So yeah, I do believe that we probably have to put water in there, right? And then you want to put that back on there. This, I think we pull off. And then all of these things go on like that, right? There's one. If you look on there, you see there's like little tuberosities. And in there's little areas where you kind of stick it in and then turn it. And then it's ready to go. Right? This, I think, just goes on the end like that. Bam, done. And then this, of course, we would use to put the water in. And then, of course, you got to plug it in. Let it heat up. And then this roll moves around. You see that? And then I think this is where we press for the steam. Psst, psst, psst. So that's basically everything right there. It does have some warnings on it. You might want to heed those. And yeah, that's everything that came in the box. So let's put it back in the box, right? Like Jack in the Box. Until we need to use it. Because right now I don't have anything to steam. But I'm sure we will soon. All right, that is it. That's how you do it. Oh, I forgot about this. Wait a minute. You've got this one, so you can hook it on the same way you hook it on. Let me show you. See how quickly I forgot I had that on my neck. Okay, so again, just like this. And then, bam, you can snake steaming. Take it off, bam, done. Simple. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this right here. Peace out. That's how much is on the radio.